May project tayo sa Rizal subject, di ba?
Sabi ng prof natin we need to visit Intramuros and Rizal Park tomorrow since National Heroes Day has just passed.
Oh, na-excite ako bigla. Pero anyway, may naalala lang ako bigla. I can't believe we just lost 3 ranked games last night. I mean, I did my part as a mage, but you... Girl, as a roam, of course I did my part. Nakalimutan mo na ba na may 21 assist ako? And namatay ka ng 18 na beses. Yeah. Kasi roam ako and aside from that, tank ako, I initiate the play. Alam mo, I should be considered as hero. Mira the Kalea hero. I did pretty well. You were such a feeder last night kaya. 2 kills, 13 deaths, and 4 assists. Nasaan ka nung kailangan ka namin? Tapos my gosh, habang naglalaro pa tayo, sigaw ka na sigaw ng sugod! Because I was being competitive. You plus competitive, chaotic. Feeling mo yata tank eh. You were also doing the sugod thing. Yeah, but with my new emote that I got from MLBB, uy, nakita ko yun, Mira. Gusto ko rin ng gano'n. Ang dali-dali lang makuha nun.
Just log in MLBB and claim the emote and exclusive avatar border for free. Remember, this is only limited and exclusive.
Okay, gusto ko na yun. Now na. Let's play Mira. Sugod! Pwede ba? Tigilan mo nga kakasigaw ng sugod at baka masipa kita.
Sugod!